I'll be starting 3 types of onions today. Leeks are basically a giant green onion. Little red bunch onions, these did pretty well last year. The 2 best for Alaska are going to be probably these sweet onions, both the white type and the yellow type. So the nice thing about onions is that you can start a whole lot of seeds in a single pot. I'm just going to go ahead and start all of these guys since all these seeds are about a year old. My onions are started for this year. Okay. Unfortunately, my onion sets got burned in the greenhouse. We had a really hot day yesterday and I didn't water them enough, and a bunch of them are all dried up here, and I don't think that they will come back. But I've got a few that are still in good enough shape to get replanted today, so that's what I'll be doing. I'm going to transplant the healthiest looking onion plants. Onions have very fibrous roots, so you can basically pull them apart without hurting the plants at all. An onion plant should be planted up to where it starts to form a bulb. So in this case, right about here on this plant. You don't want to plant onion plants too deep, or else they will not form a bulb. And there we go, we got those onions planted. We've had kind of a sad year with my onions. It's been kind of cold and wet, and they've just not done very well. Plus, I didn't water them enough when I was first starting them. But we did get a few. These are all sweet onions, and I'm going to get them harvested here today. That's the sum total of my onion harvest. I'll do better next year. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and check out our farm store in the description.